on, everybody? So today I'm just doing a small update in the garage on the status of what's going on. Some of the files got corrupted on my cards, and this is why I don't have a video for you guys today. I've been working very hard in the garage and recording everything, and it just sucks to have lost everything. I am trying to see if I can recover it. Some of it, maybe I can put that up at a later date, but let's turn our attention to the S10 and show you what's done so far. Alright, so the C notches are completely welded on and done on both sides. The bags are on and the airlines are cut to them. The bottom brackets were tack welded on, but me cycling the system up and down with them just being tack welded broke those tack welds, and the fact that I don't have the 4-link, it made the axle move back and forth and my drive shaft fell out. So I'm still waiting on a Thoroughbros gas tank kit that I ordered that has a wishbone and a bunch of other stuff. It has the links for it. So that was supposed to take 3 to 4 weeks, they told me. That should have been here this week. I thought it's gonna be here within the next couple of days. Speaking with Jason on Instagram, he told me that it's quite possible it'll be here the middle of May. So I'm hoping that that turns for the better. Now the front is also done, and let me just air it up real quick. If I have enough air in the compressor. Alright, so the front's done. I also did the shock relocation on this side. Still haven't done it on the other side. Both bags are in. Both bags are in. It lays pretty low. I have videos of that. Again, I'm hoping that the files didn't get that corrupted and I can get at those. And then she goes down. That's all the way laid out. I did have a tape measure on it, and it comes up to like 30 and 5/8, 35/8 inches up, and then it drops all the way down to 24, laid out like this, 24 and a half inches laid flat. But right now the truck is completely laid out. That's how low it will be when it's completely laid out. There is still the figuring out of where the compressor will go, where the V4 will go, and this cross member here might have to be shaved. I am gonna remove it. I don't need it because the shocks can no longer go there. I'm gonna have to get flanges for the exhaust to weld that up. Might have to cut it up and I want to put a flange right there since there's no flange to take off the muffler, and I'm gonna put a flange there for the tailpipe. But right now, that's what I have for the S10. The S2000. She is ready to come out. I took off the NVIDIA exhaust and I got an OEM exhaust for it. She will be getting inspected in Massachusetts here tomorrow or the next day. I was planning on taking this off because underneath this is the OEM color, but it's just a pain, even with a heat gun. It's just, it comes off in little pieces. So I don't know, I might end up slicing it here and slicing it here, and I have some vinyl that I can probably just wrap it again and do that. Chrissy's bike is right here. She's all set and ready to go for the summer. And my bike is over there. She's all set and ready to go. But that's all I got for you guys. Thanks again, and I'm gonna try to see if I can get those video files up so I can have a better video for you guys next week. All right, see you next week.